हमने commercialism की बात की in paddle, but we saw that bit of commercialism coming from Javed Afridi through the Peshawar Zalmi training and fitness camp with the ACE tennis program as well. Were you there? I want that insight.
Yeah, so the ACE program started 2 years ago. Okay, Assam Ulaq started it, and I give him so much credit because he understands, because he's been on the international circuit and interacted with businessmen, sports managers, sports representatives. ये बहुत बड़ी एक industry है.
Exactly.
They understand the market on how, and also great tennis lovers. And great
Absolutely.
tennis players. He's played at the highest. I mean, it's a certain, every person knows him on the tour.
Every person.
People don't understand that. That's a very
You know
big
the
forte.
video of Stefanos and Assam hitting the volley? People were actually appreciating the volley more as compared to Stefanos.
Yeah,
People were
his
like,
hands,
whoa, who is he?
crazy hands, mashallah. I
Mashallah.
mean, crazy hands. Khair, I'm going to leave his sports career out of this because that though it speaks out for itself.
Exactly.
So
We'll have another podcast with him.
exactly, he can speak better for you in his journey, but I'll give him this credit that the ACE Academy came up with the mindset of attracting privates and corporate sponsors,
Okay.
okay, and companies who can, through their CR models,
Okay.
invest in players, invest in a program
Hmm.
in which they can do their organic marketing, or their foundations khuli hui hain, like Bard Foundation goes for ACE Academy,
Yeah.
Peshawar Zalmi do it.
Exactly.
They are actually wanting to create players. Now, his model is not like कि यार ये लो भाई हमने 15 लाख रुपए जमा कर लिए और चलें जी कैंप लगा लें. His model is 4 cities, 4 players, 4 coaches, 4 trainers. For a year he has कि भाई मुझे ट्रेनर को भी
Exactly.
महीने के पैसे देने हैं, मुझे कोच को भी ये देने हैं, मेरे कैन के भी ये हैं. तो अपर प्लानिंग इज़ अमेजिंग क्योंकि द रीज़न वाई वेयर इन आवर सेकेंड ईयर, कभी ज़िंदगी में इतना लंबा प्रोग्राम नहीं चला.
Exactly.
कैंप चल गया 2 महीने 3 महीने. सो एंड दोज प्लेयर्स ही इज़ ऑल्सो सेंडिंग दैम. पहले साल नहीं भेजा, पहले साल ट्रेनिंग पे फोकस किया, अब टूर्नामेंट्स पे भेजते रहे.
Oh,
I was with Bilal Asim and Ahmed Nail Qureshi. These two boys, one's from Lahore, one's from Islamabad. I know of them, they knew of
Yeah.
me. Good salam dua. Ace family, they train in Lahore, Islamabad. Assam said कि भाई I want you to go with these boys. I'm sending
Okay.
them to Qatar to play ITFs.
Okay,
We
wow.
went. I had the greatest time of my life. Great boys, had a great time. They also did completely. I think they did decent.
Okay.
But look at the planning behind it, na yaar.
Exactly.
So it's a proper setup.
Yeah.
And I would say the reason why I became a part of it is just that me working with him just makes me learn so much better.
Yeah.
And sorry, I mean, it just makes my resume also so much better. So, I
Exactly.
mean, I have been working with a global superstar, and then, dude, my learning process is just insane,
Absolutely. I'm pretty sure.
So, I mean, Ace is doing great, yaar.
Ace is acing it out.
I think it's doing great. Yes, there were some players who might have been, अच्छा बड़ा एक stupid सा एक topic हो जाता है. ओ जी
कोई नहीं,
पहले
let's have it. Let's have it.
उससे पहले उसके पास खेलता था, तो पहले उसके पास खेलता था.
Why does that happen so much in Pakistan?
लोकल लेवल पे है, जिसकी सोच इंटरनेशनल है वो ये थोड़ी सोचता है.
Basically.
तो क्या कहते हैं, let's say Tsitsipas didn't play at Morglau from the age of
Yeah.
3, went at 16, 17, he
Yeah,
recruited him.
17 I remember.
And then even like I would say Casper Ruud is just not Rafa Nadal Academy. पहले 7 साल 6 साल की उम्र में भी कहीं उसने टेनिस खेली होगी जब वो 11-12 में इतना अच्छा गया था. So my point is, he has the best players of the country day in day out performing internationally, if not performing internationally but going through the process. कोई और होता ना, वो 2 हार हो चुकी होती ना और 10 लाख रुपए खर्च हो चुके होते, किसी स्पॉन्सर बोलता है यार ये किस चीज़ पे भेजा हुआ है, ये प्रोसेस है, ये प्रोसेस है. Go through the process, only then have aspirations to become a good tennis player. A lot of people have good aspirations and want to become the bestest of the best. That can also happen if you go through this process.
Oh wow.
You have to play tournaments.
So the vision is big.
Yes, you have to play tournaments. At the age of 12 and 13 you should start planning international tournaments, national tournaments. They are a big part of your growing stage.
Okay.
पढ़ाई वाले बच्चे ट्रैवल नहीं कर पाते जिनके पास मीन्स हैं.
Yeah.
जिनके पास मीन्स नहीं है, जो उनको स्पॉन्सर करते हैं, उनका कोई विजन ही नहीं है. उनको अखबार में तस्वीर खिंचानी है, एक गिफ्ट, एक रैकेट दे देना, चलो जी आगे बढ़ो. ये तो कोई विजन ही नहीं है. Sam has that vision.
इस तरह के और क्लिप्स के लिए मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल एंड आई विल कैच यू गाइस इन द नेक्स्ट वन.